So, is BTR enough to get a great rank in NEET PG 2025? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Debarati. I secured an All India rank of 4494 in NEET PG 2024 and I'm here to answer this exact question, that is BTR enough? So watch this video till the end because I don't want you missing out on any important information and taking a wrong conclusion out of it. So let's get started. So let's start with the most basic question. What is BTR? Buri tarah ratto, bharosa to rakho. Like we all are familiar with these terms. It is a compilation of the most important points from all the 19 subjects compiled by Dr. Zaina Vora ma'am into a very concise way that is really easy to remember. And you can get the subscription easily from the Cerebellum app or website. I got it at a price of around 12,000 last year and the validity was 1 year. So it's a pretty good deal. So now that we are done with the basic question about what is BTR, let's move ahead. The next important question that we'll be answering is when to start BTR. Now, I really want to be upfront about this. BTR is not for beginners. If you don't have a good ground over all the 19 subjects, then it is not the time for you to start BTR. You should first have a grip on all the 19 subjects. You should know what the topics are about. You should have your concepts clear, and only then I would ask you to switch over to BTR, because a revision material like this only makes sense when you first know the real material very well. So if you are someone who were very thorough with their professional exams and you have read all the standard textbooks and you are familiar with all the content and no concept is that new to you, obviously concepts will be new, but what I'm trying to say is not much concepts are new to you, you have a good grip on them. So yeah, you can start BTR at this point. But if you are like me, someone who hasn't read in their professional exams, keeping the entrance examination in mind, so yeah, this is not the right time for you to be starting BTR if you haven't done at least one read and one revision. About how to use BTR, there are actually two ways that you can do that. The first way is my way, what I personally did. I did the main reading from Marrow itself, and then I did two revisions of the main notes of Marrow itself. And whatever source you are doing it from, I would suggest you to first complete the first read, then at least one revision before you switch over to BTR. So this is one way to go about BTR. And the second way, or Zaina ma'am's way, what ma'am says is BTR is the must know content. Itna to karna hi padega. This is non-negotiable for your entrance exams. If you forget this, then obviously it doesn't even make any sense. So you can do BTR if you have and that obviously requires you having a knowledge of the subjects in a clear way. So you can start with BTR if you have a proper grip over the subjects. Do BTR, do the bonus BTR, do the compile modules, the exam and discussion, and then when you're solving the PYQs, if you find a point that is not there in the BTR notes, you can just add that into the notes. So these are basically two ways that you can go about using BTR, and you have to decide that for yourself, what stage of the preparation you are in. If you are a beginner, then first do the main read, then BTR, and if you have a grip, then start with BTR and build on BTR. Now let's get to the next question: how to use BTR to get the maximum results. Trust me when I say this, the main notes of BTR itself are not complete enough if you're doing it only from BTR and you have not added on to it. So you have to do the main BTR, you have to do the bonus BTR, you have to do the compile modules and the exam and discussion. Trust me, no one teaches the art of solving MCQs better than Zaina Vora ma'am. I would really suggest you to do all the exam and discussion videos, 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0. Start with 2.0 and then do the other two. Ma'am herself claimed, this is the best way to go about it. And the compile modules, obviously once you are thorough with your subjects, you have to start the compile modules. The compile section is just so good. Ma'am has literally spoon-fed everything you want to remember before going to the main exam. So make sure you do the compiled modules too and you don't skip them. Now along with BTR, ma'am is giving away the notes, like the unannotated notes of both BTR, bonus BTR and the choti copy. So now that we are clear about what all you have to do from BTR, now how to use it to get the maximum results. Like ma'am herself said in one video, like जिनका rank 1 आएगा और जिनका rank say within 100 आएगा, that person is also doing BTR, and the person who is ranking 10,000 is also doing BTR. Most of the people are doing BTR, but don't get into the FOMO that so everyone is doing BTR, so I'm not doing anything different. How will I stand out from the crowd? Trust me, like ma'am said, everyone's imbibation capacity is different. Everyone's potential is different. The way that everyone takes in the knowledge and applies them, and obviously the dedication, everyone is different on that point. Like I have friends who have ranked within 100 with BTR. I have ranked 4,000, and there are even others who have ranked outside 10,000 with BTR. So you have to stop doubting the source, like is BTR enough? Like I want you to like stop asking that question to yourself. I want you to like start trusting the source, trust the teacher, trust ma'am. And if you have decided as BTR to be your revision program or to be the main base of your preparation, just stick to it. So I want you to take that decision right now, what you're going to do with BTR. And it is not something that I can tell you or ma'am can tell you like ऐसे ही करना है, ऐसे ही करना है, ऐसे नहीं करना है. No, I'm just giving you ideas. I'm just telling you like how I did it, and I'm also telling you how ma'am herself asked you to use BTR. So yeah, you have to decide upon that point. Another thing that I really want to mention is ma'am regularly puts in exams, and I want you to take the exams when they are live, because you get the accurate rank. You can assess your percentile and your level of preparation compared against the others. So don't miss out on the tests. Make sure you take all the tests. And like I used to do, I used to take the tests, but I never saw the live discussion by ma'am because sometimes the time didn't match, and obviously you have to stick to your own schedule. Like if you are following a particular schedule, stick to that time period. And I always used to see the discussion videos at night when I was done with my solving MCQs and reading. So you can also do that. And I used to watch ma'am's videos at 2x. If you feel like ma'am's speed is too slow for you, I would really suggest you doing this. Like watch the video later at 2x and not like bother ma'am in the video saying ma'am go fast, ma'am go slow. Like it's just irritating to the teacher at this point. Like if you're finding this video slow, then just speed it up. Like that's completely up to you. And like yeah, so just watch the videos at your own time, at your own pace. But make sure you watch all the discussions, you don't miss out on that. And ma'am is also giving out the schedule. So if you are someone who cannot plan a routine, like आज क्या पढ़ना है, कल क्या पढ़ना है, so you can also go with ma'am's schedule on that. It's pretty good. And ma'am will obviously be doing the INICET mega revision before the INICET. So if you're targeting INICET, like totally attend that too. So what I'm basically saying is you have to attend the classes by ma'am, and preferably at your own time, at your own pace. Now, if you ask me how did I personally use BTR, I'll tell you how I came to know about BTR and how to get the BTR subscription. So I was taking my INICET examination, and you know, after the exam ends, you have to wait in the exam hall for some time before leaving. So the girl who sat next to me literally started talking about BTR and how BTR helped her. And at that point, I was like, I didn't know that you can take BTR subscription without the cerebellum subscription. And she was like, yeah, you can. It just costs 12,000. So if you're watching this video, like thank you, literally saved my life. Yeah, I don't even remember her name. So I do hope we meet again. So yeah, that's how I got to know about BTR. So that was in May. So the exam actually happened around August 11. So like literally I was only on BTR in June, July and half of August before the exam. And I did the main notes like twice, the main BTR notes twice, the bonus BTR twice. I saw all the compiled modules, and obviously the mega NEET BTRs and the mega INICET BTRs. So like suppose you are taking NEET PG, you cannot skip the like mega INICET BTRs that will be happening now. So before you go to any exam, make sure you see all the like mega revision BTRs. And also ma'am made a choti copy series that was really a game changer, because you can see everything coming together, and the way that ma'am tells mnemonics to remember stuffs, it's just next level. Like in the exam hall, like you can hear ma'am's voice telling you कि हाँ ये तो ऐसा था, ये यहाँ पे था, ये बुक के यहाँ पे था, ये यहाँ पे था, and yeah, I remembered it like that. Also a quick note, I actually bought the unannotated BTRs, and so I actually annotated them myself from what I remembered from Marrow notes, and other than that obviously I took help from ma'am to fill up the BTRs. So I would highly recommend you not buying the annotated BTRs and annotating the BTRs itself, because that thing in itself is a revision. Like when you are writing down something that you have read, like it's equal to reading that 5 times. So obviously try to annotate the BTR itself, obviously. And also when you like write something, you know, like यहाँ पे ये लिखा था, इसके ऊपर ये picture था, उसके नीचे ये लिखा था, and trust me, the entire page comes like that in the exam hall in your memory if you have revised it like that many times. So always try to annotate the BTRs itself and not buy the annotated BTRs. So what did we learn? Is BTR enough or not? For me, it was more than enough. It was the game changer. It got me the rank of 4000. नहीं तो पता ही नहीं कहाँ पे rank जाता मेरा. I totally feel like I would have ranked around 10,000 or 15,000 without BTR, and under 5,000, like 4494, that this rank was possible only with BTR. So my heartfelt thanks to ma'am if you're watching this video. You saved my life. Yeah, so BTR is enough. Like stop asking that question. Instead ask the question how you have to make BTR enough for you. Like this question you have to answer for yourself, what works best for you. But हाँ, BTR है, and there's nothing like that in the market. BTR is the best material for revision. Nothing helps you to remember the concepts better than BTR, better than Zainab ma'am. Her mnemonics are everything. So like once and for all, I want to answer this question that yes, BTR is enough. So if you're still having doubts about whether to get BTR or not, trust me, you should get BTR. I'll always, and also this is not sponsored or anything, this is literally what I did, and this is my personal experience with BTR. And I don't tell anything to you that I haven't done personally or I don't know personally, so you can trust me on that. So that's it for this video. I hope you got your answer. Maybe it is not the answer that you wanted, but trust me, it is the answer that you needed. So I'll be seeing you in my next video, and in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video if you found it useful, to anyone who's having doubts about BTR and is not sure how to get started about BTR. I hope it helps. Bye for now.